What if I told you most people are using Notebook LM completely wrong? And because of that, they're wasting hours. If you're just getting basic results with Notebook LM, you're missing out on its real power. But today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful Notebook LM hacks that can literally change everything for you. Faster research, deeper insights, and way more useful outputs. Let's get into it. The difference between average results and high-quality professional outputs isn't complicated. It comes down to a few smart tweaks. And once you start using them, you'll notice the change instantly. Alright, let's start with hack 1, and this one changes how you begin everything. Most people wait until they have documents. Big mistake. Because in reality, you usually start with questions, confusion, or an idea. So instead, open Gemini and create a new notebook from there. Let's say you're working on Research AI. Now, instead of uploading files first, start asking questions directly. For example, engagement dropped over time, how is that connected to churn? Add your research data, hit enter. And boom, sent. You get analysis, insights, even visual graphs. Now open a new chat, explore another angle, group feedback into key themes and highlight common issues. Attach your file again. And now you've got structured feedback instantly. Here's the powerful part. When you open this inside Notebook LM, all these chats are already organized. And you can choose exactly what to include when generating outputs. Clean, focused, efficient. That's the power of Notebook LM. Now let's move to hack 2. This one saves serious time. We're going to install 2 simple Chrome extensions. First one, YouTube Notebook LM. Click Add to Chrome and it's ready. Install it. Now whenever you watch a useful video, just click the button, select your notebook, and it's instantly added as a source. Imagine doing research and every important video goes straight into your notebook automatically. No copy-paste, no extra work. Second extension, Web Importer. This works for articles, blogs, reports, basically any web page. Open the page, click the extension, add it to your notebook. Done. Now everything, videos, articles, reports, all stored in one place. Your research becomes 10x faster. Hack 3 is where things get really powerful. Here's the problem. Free plan gives you a limit of 50 sources. And trust me, you'll hit that fast. So instead of struggling, we compress multiple sources into one. Take a few sources and use this prompt. Synthesize these into one structured response with key insights and references. Run it. Now everything is combined into a clean, structured output. Save it, convert it into a new source, and now you can delete the old ones. You just turned multiple sources into one without losing information. More space, better clarity. Hack 4, this one upgrades your output quality instantly. By default, Notebook LM gives basic answers. That's why many people think it's just okay. But here's the trick. Go to Settings, Configure. Change role to Custom. Write something like, act as a senior analyst. Provide structured insights and practical recommendations. Now instead of simple summaries, you get deep analysis, structured thinking, real value. Also adjust response length. Long for deep research, short for quick answers. Simple change, massive difference. Now the final hack. And honestly, this one most people ignore. Big mistake. People start analyzing without checking their sources. So before anything, test your data. Ask, where do these sources disagree? You'll instantly spot conflicts. finally, are there alternative or lesser known viewpoints? This gives you deeper, more balanced insights. So instead of blindly using sources, you're validating them first. That's next level research. So yeah, these 5 hacks can completely change how you use Notebook LM. You'll save time, work smarter, and get way better results. If you want more hacks like this, let me know. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical AI tips.